The diagram below is made of a trapezoid. Okay, they tell you the shape in this one, and a semicircle. Which is closest to the area of the shaded part? So they're actually telling you the shapes, and they're telling you what formula you need to use. So let's write down the two formulas. What is the formula for area of a trapezoid? Aliana? Good. Okay. Now let's look at our trapezoid. We'll start with the trapezoid. Okay. And look at your formula sheet. Which side length would I label as A and B? I want you to look at the formula sheet and tell me which one I would label as A and B. The two base sides, so this would be, let's call this A. Does it matter which one I call A or B? Does it matter if I switched it? We're adding. Does it matter what order you add in? No. Okay? The two parallel sides are A and B. Now, how would I draw the height? What is the height of a trapezoid? Is it the side, the slant height, or is it perpendicular? Okay, so the height would be here. Do you have that dimension written there? Can we figure out the height? How? It's the radius of the semicircle, exactly. This height that I just drew here, the H, is actually the radius of the semicircle. What part of the semicircle are we given? Are we given the radius or are we given the diameter? Diameter. So if the diameter is 6, what's the radius? 3. Okay, so now we have A, B, and H. I want you guys to plug it into the formula and tell me the area of the trapezoid. Let's do that now. So we're going to plug in. You should have a piece of paper in front of you. A is 6. B is 14. And the height is 3. Don't forget to use bed mass. Okay, so we simplify our brackets first. 20 times 3 divided by 2. 20 times 3 is 60 divided by 2 equals 30 centimeters squared. The area of the trapezoid is 30 centimeters squared, but the question says to find the area of the shaded part of the diagram. What is cut out of our trapezoid? What's removed from it? A semicircle. Well, we know the area of a circle is equal to... Area of a circle is pi r squared. That's on your formula sheet. But we need to cut out a semicircle. What is a semicircle? Jeremy, half a circle. So once we get the area of the circle, how do you find half of that? We're going to take the answer, whatever this is, and we're going to divide it by 2. You guys do that right now. Pi times, what's the radius? 3 squared. Let's do this part first. We'll do the divided by 2 afterwards. 3 squared is, what's 3 times 3? 3.14 times 9 equals 28.26. Okay, now that's the area of a circle, but again, it's a semicircle. Divide that by 2, what do you got? 14.13, is that what you said? That's the area of the semicircle, but the question says to find the area of the shaded region.
30 minus.
So what do I do?
30 minus 14 equals 16, which is B.
Is approximately equal to 16 centimeters squared, which is B.